Meggie here from the Mediterranean Kitchenette, and today we're making a super fast and easy spicy Mediterranean pasta with tuna. You surely have a can of tuna at home, and this recipe is the best way you can make a proper healthy meal out of it by adding just a few really simple ingredients. Let's get started. So we're gonna need 200 grams of penne pasta, 200 grams of canned tuna chunks, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 300 grams of tomato pulp, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, and 3 teaspoons of salt. We're gonna use 2 teaspoons to cook our pasta and 1 teaspoon for the sauce. Half a diced red onion, 2 chili peppers, 2 teaspoons of capers, and 10 green olives cut into halves. That's it. Alright guys, so we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of olive oil and we're gonna saute that onion over high heat for about 2 minutes until it's light golden in color, just like this. Make sure to be stirring all the time. And now we're gonna add the tomato pulp and give it 3 more minutes. And time to add those lovely chili peppers. And guys, at the end of the video, I will show you a little trick we do with those peppers here at home. And now let's add the half of the parsley. We want to leave the rest to garnish our pasta at the end. And now let's add the salt, guys. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon, okay? And just give it a little stir. And now let's go ahead and add those olives and the capers. And at this point, you want to switch the heat to medium. And we're gonna cook this for 5 minutes, leaving our pan uncovered. We would love to hear from you. Please leave your comments below. Thank you so much, guys, and all the best from Meggie and Eva from Athens, Greece. Alright, and time to add those tuna chunks. And guys, if you want, you can make some of the bigger chunks a bit smaller. It's up to you. Here at home, we actually prefer a bit bigger pieces. We find them more satisfying. And now we cook this for 5 more minutes, and basically that's it for the sauce. Alright guys, and after 5 minutes the sauce is ready, nice and thick. And now it's up to you. At this point, if you wish, you can remove those chili peppers. Otherwise, you just leave them. And in the meanwhile, we cooked our pasta al dente and we start adding it to the sauce, just like that. And once you've added the pasta, you just leave it for 1 more minute just to make sure that all the excessive liquids have evaporated. And guys, our dish is all ready and looks amazing. And you know what to do now, right? Go ahead and sprinkle it with that fresh parsley and with some fresh olive oil too. And guys, this is what I wanted to show you. So if you grow your own herbs and chili peppers like we do here at home, you can really easily make your own aromatic olive oil. So you just use a little bottle or a little jar, something you can close, and simply add anything you like inside. Okay, so here we've added some rosemary and some chili peppers, but you go ahead and add whatever you fancy, for example garlic or oregano. And yeah, just pour some olive oil inside, close it, and after a couple of days it's ready, and you can use it to add even more flavor to your favorite Mediterranean diet dishes. And then the only thing you have to do is just refill that oil on regular basis, and that's it. And guys, we really hope you enjoyed that pasta, and please let us know if that was the case. And of course, I'm gonna link more Mediterranean pasta recipes for you guys in the description below. Thank you so much for being here and for your support. If you fancy, subscribe for more. And thank you so much, guys, and I see you the next time.